How you doing?
Okay, Sencha.
Well, good morning. Can we guess what this is?
One of these mornings.
This is crazy. This was crazy. So this is sweet potato vines. I grew these from sweet potatoes, literally from sweet potatoes. Store-bought sweet potatoes. I'm gonna get potatoes, or you can just get a nice covering crop. These things are crazy. First of all, why is it 80 something degrees out here? Well, normally Halloween it gets cold, and it's not cold yet. Anyway, these things are great for covering up everything. Like you get one sweet potato. This is all from one sweet potato, by the way. You can potentially get sweet potatoes. You give them some more nitrogen, and they can just vine out. And they're everywhere. I put some slips. I made some slips. I made a video on this before, and planted those slips. That's where the actual sweet potato is. Look, it's vining up. I don't even know where this came from. I don't even know what this is. My garden just be doing what it wants to do. But this is great for covering like your pots or your trees, give you some cover from that heat, because this stuff's out in full sun and it loves the heat. Now it's nice outside still, not freezing, even though Halloween's like that de facto, I'm gonna start wearing a sweater weather. Not this year. We're slowly turning to California, drivers and all. I digress. But yeah, stuff's super easy. I got a vine here. What is this? I think it's a cucamelon. Did I plant that here? I don't ever be remembering what I'd be doing. Tomatoes are coming back to life. I mean, everything is loving this. We're getting a full fall season this year, guys. 9B Vegas. Everything's coming back. I got my watermelon. Watermelon's still green. It's still growing. I'm leaving this out here until we get some nice yellow at the bottom. That one's looking fine. Climbing up. It got another one. You just keep coming and look up here. Isn't this kind of cool? You just reach up here and have freshly picked watermelon just at your fingertips. If you're not doing watermelon this way, if you have a small space, this is perfect for these are sugar babies. They're smaller types. Full sun. Also, no issues in this environment. Tomatoes growing through the vine, through the area. Lazy. Let's go take a look over here. And check this out. They come in all sorts of different shapes and colors. Bees love them. They flower. This is a purple vine. I actually bought this from the store. I don't know if that's ornamental or not, but the way that it's growing, and I put my artichokes. Artichokes are doing good. The little video on how you purchase those. Got those split up, but I think they're gonna do well here. Artichokes come back every year. I didn't know that. I thought you harvest them one and then they're dead. And I think that's that. I wanted to put bamboo over here, but maybe I'll have some other plantings over here to grow with this beautiful Barbados cherry tree. Doing well. Hopefully survive the summer. It should be established. It should be okay. This current weather, I mean, as long as we don't get in the 20s, these things will do well here. Full sun. This is a northern wall. And that one, not so well. This one kind of burnt up in the sun. I don't know if it's alive or not because we still have green. This is a heavenly bamboo. The other bamboo is doing... both my other bamboos are doing great. I need to get some wind blockage. But this looks nice and crispy. But we still have green in it, but I'm not seeing any new growth. So I guess we'll see what happens. I still have hope for it. I've noticed that sometimes things come back, so I'll give it another season. Now this guy just came out of nowhere. Don't ask me how this happened. It just popped up and just grew. I must have come out here and planted some of these. There's no way that this came from somebody else's garden, right? Like, I've had so many birds. Sometimes you wonder what's carrying things. But these flowers are massive. There's at least one fruit on this. I don't know. I love gardening. It's just my pastime. Look at that dragon fruit. Anyway.
Let's grow.
subscribe.